Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preserving evidence. Stop writing to the drive and connect it through a USB SATA adapter so you don't boot from it. Create a full bit-for-bit image using DDResQ, because working on a copy prevents further damage. Once done, verify the image integrity with a checksum such as SHA-256 so you can trust later steps. Make sure to note device identifiers and log every action. This prevents mistakes and preserves options if you need professional help later. You now scan the image for recoverable structures. Use Test Disk to rebuild partition tables and Photo Rec for file carving because they target different layers. Start by prioritizing critical file types so you regain essentials quickly, then run iterative passes with varied signature lists to catch more. If file system metadata is damaged, carving recovers content without names, which is why logging recovered paths and timestamps matters. Make sure to keep recovered files on a separate drive to avoid contaminating results. You finish by validating and organizing recovered files. Open samples to confirm integrity and discard duplicates, because restoring corrupted files wastes time and space. For partially recovered documents or videos, use dedicated repair utilities to reconstruct headers or index tables. These tools improve usability. Once satisfied, copy clean results back to the primary system and rebuild folder structure. If you encounter mechanical noise or repeated read failures, stop and consult a cleanroom recovery lab.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.